Yeah, we just doing home service today. We doing quick stage 2 on the rotors. Stage 2 brakes everywhere. You know what I'm saying? We also got quick update on the brakes. Hold on, let me see.
6 fully. No boy Twitch anyway. Wire Grim 6 fully. Billy. Everything no. Brand new. Gina, where you say? Where you say?
Quick update on the brakes too. We got this gun from Eastwood. We just waiting on the powder now. We gonna powder coat all of the calibers. Comment down below which color you think I'm about to
Team blue in the comments, you heard?
Team blue?
Team blue in the comments. Blue calipers, this shit done.
Yes,
bro. Team blue in the comments. Heavy on it.
Well, we got everything off right now. I ain't even gonna give y'all a tutorial because there's a bunch of tutorials online how to do this shit. But y'all could just watch me do this shit, you know what I'm saying? But nah, yeah, this shit, stage 2 rotors, straight from Zimmerman. You know we only go big boys. Great shit only, you know what I'm saying? These the old shits.
Top man like Zima man.
Look at these brakes, y'all. What I've been driving around on. Crazy. Hey, I'm fake tight that I couldn't go to Impact today, bro. Right. We got it next year. Nah, yeah, we ain't playing that shit.
Word.
Make sure y'all line the holes up. Don't just slap this shit on. You pause it? True.
I don't know if you have the YouTube or Instagram.
Nah, that's a fact.
So if you have the IG, you can put your finger back. Where you have to put?
Nah, it's on YouTube.
We got the fucking, this is the backs, fronts, octave. Stuff, old shits right here. These. See how you would say?
Yeah, man, twin power turbo, man, you see me? Machine on the road. No boy.
None. Yo, I can't wait till he get the intakes. Intakes gonna be crazy right here. Once he get the intakes. Yo, y'all let me know. Is it a need or a keep? Let me know. They gonna be sitting right here. Low key, an intercooler would be nice too. An upgraded one. Let me know. Y'all let me know in the comments, bro.
Make sure y'all take this off too. If y'all don't want it to overflow, then you start seeing shit you thinking it's oil.
I got the pushy in the Kelly. Pushy in the piston.
Oh, tell me this shit start fit. Brake tools. You gotta get the double-sided ones for these big piston. Big piston calipers. Make sure you take it out. Put it in how you take it out.
What do you mean by that? That's for all of the money we can't find a hole. Gangster, bro.
If you can't find the hole, I pray for your man.
Alright. Not even God can't save you. Gangster. Oh yeah, that's
You just unplug the sensor. It's pretty simple. Just put that back. Guys, all your parts, if you have a BMW, any Euro car, they're not even sponsoring this video, but I'm gonna still shout them out because everything that you do is lifetime warranty. So these brakes that I put on there, if anything go wrong with them or they get bad, or the next time I need to do a brake service, I just return these parts and I get a new set for free. That's the whole thing with FCP Euro. Make sure that this shit is tight. What I see?
yeah, man.
Father see?
One father see, believe. Here, boy, yes, sir. They come like you old as hell, boy. Look at you, yes sir. Sir, yes sir.
Yo, see why you talking like that?
Yo, far that's it.
Yes, sir.
Yo, he's still on it though. Yo, bro, don't bring the American accent out, bro.
Alright.
See that shit snaps in right there.
Just clean up everything. See when you take it out, see when I take
14
it
more
out.
horsepower, 1400 more horsepower.
Nah, I think this just support your braking, honestly. The rotors,
Yeah,
because they got the
cool
holes.
down, yeah, cool down faster.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got the holes in it. Great.
No, but you never know, I never see what them.
See, this one don't got no holes in it, and the stage 3 even got more holes. Huh?
You know about them retire?
I do. These are stage
No,
2s.
these one of one. It have turbo in our rotor. It have turbo in our rotor. Turbo in our rotor.
Stop it. These are,
Yeah.
Anyway.
Me I tell you, so them rotor.
I'm gonna just let y'all see who said that. Let y'all know that. Let y'all know that was not me. That was not me or Benz.
Yeah, one
We
of
had
one.
nothing to do with that conversation. I don't know what you talking about. You got that nigga from,
Why are you running?
from Zimbabwe.
My brother, from Zimbabwe. All my African buyers, show you to everybody, you my brother. Ngele.
Yeah.
Why are you running?
Keep coming, bro.
Yo, bro, this nigga be dying, bro.
No disrespect to my African viewers. We love y'all, man.
Never.
I am out
That's
here
the motherland.
celebrating for
Oh,
my
yeah.
brother. Uganda forever, my brother.
Yo, Africa is wavy, bro.
We gotta go there.
I'm serious, bro. I'm so dead ass.
Yes, sir. The Egypts and
Nah, who was
Phoenix.
playing about that? African is really, feel me?
You got to come to Africa with me, my brother. I got to take you out to Africa.
So you go. I just say this way.
American life is not
Yo, the Beamer is so different, bro. Like, just throwing the brakes on these, it's like, you gotta really know what you're doing. So make sure y'all paying attention, yo.
This is the Beamer sauce right here, the BMW sauce.
Start charging niggas, bro.
Gangsta.
Make sure y'all clean all this stuff up too, though, y'all, cause these stuff like to seize in here. Don't be lazy. Alright, I'm gonna tighten this up.
Make sure everything is all stitchy. Y'all see everything. Wires all stitchy. Tighten this up.
Ooh, look at those brakes. This just look full, boy.
Gangsta.
I can't wait to see how the back look. Shot y'all.
Oh God, I bless Gina said God, I God bless you for that dog. Gangsta.
Make sure y'all tighten these a lot. I don't know the torque spec, but torque to tight, man. These right here, ones in the back. Cause when I took these shits off, these shits was a bitch to get off. A hoe, my fault. Can't curse for YouTube. YouTube, bitch not a curse word though, right?
Nah, not really. See where we coming from, man. That shit, ugly ass shit, to this beautiful ass piece right here. Rust, be a rust. Can't make the big man go a road, so. Not time. Look for now. Look, yes, sir. Not time. Not time. Them have to come down right blood clot now.
Alright, y'all, we about to go to the next side.
It's all the basic tools y'all gonna be needing too. This everything bro using right now.
Oh, yeah.
all the shit bro using, a gun, all that. For me, I'm pretty sure you don't need all of these, but just have them just in case. Tires coming off.
Man.
Come on, tires, y'all. Dry, wet, snow. Look at the inside of this shit. I know this. See?
Good.
Look at this shit. No, that's for the jack. Oh, this tires, bro. Look at the wear and tear in this shit, bro.
What do you expect?
But this is from me drifting too, so.
So if you drive a BMW, what do you expect?
Nah, but run flats get like that though.
These not run flats.
Not run flats?
Nah.
Oh, that's crazy. Nah, I thought it was run flats. Yo, y'all, let me know if I'm tweaking for thinking these are run flats. All right, so this coming off. This coming off. Basically what we did on the other side.
What do you mean by the crow compliment that?
Shut up.
Yo, when you putting your IG on the window,
Never.
that's like a wave I see everybody got. Never? Wow.
Shit dragging like that.
So you gonna change those?
Yeah. Gotta change it ASAP. That's why my shit pulling to the left. That's for
Well, nah,
more
you
like
was saying
drifting,
that. You was saying that earlier.
That's for more like drifting game.
When you was drifting.
In the snow, bro.
These the same ones from the snow?
Yes, game.
The whole system.
Yeah, the whole brake flush.
Yeah, cause remember, you know, you have to fling them on the black and then, you know, the black code up. Yeah.
Nah, King said we'll go to the shop after this. Then.
Yo, it's nothing.
My brother,
Yo,
you
bro,
got to get
anything
this
coming
shit
up,
too.
you know what, bro? Like,
Nah,
baby,
for real though.
be like, baby, make a wish.
I ain't gonna lie, shit line up, yo. Nah, not right now. She not ready yet. Yeah,
DJI.